I'm Matt Emerson and I'm glad you've stopped by to watch this video because you want to learn piano, I want to teach you piano, and that's why I'm running this free 5-day piano course for complete beginners. It's online and it's completely live and interactive, meaning that you can sit at home and watch just like you are right now, but you can join in with me while I'm teaching you how to play the piano, ask me questions and give me feedback as we go. If it's been your dream to learn piano and play songs you love, honestly, there's never been a better time to start than right now. And with just 1 hour per day for 5 days, you'll be shown all the basics of how to play piano, and I'll get you to the point where you'll be playing a couple of fun, simple songs. And joining in is super simple too, either by watching on Facebook Live and using the comments section for live interaction and asking questions, or you can join in on Zoom, which is the free and easy video conferencing app that everyone's using right now so that we can see and hear each other as if we were face to face. You don't even need a keyboard to practice on. I can help you with all of that. The main thing is that we just get you started on this incredible journey of playing the piano and just sitting down and rattling out songs to your heart's content. So click the button right now and book yourself a place on my free 5-day piano course for beginners, and I'll see you soon.